EXPA. Am I doing something weird with EXPA that it would be 0 sometimes? Because that's the only time, like EXPA would have to be 0 in order for that to be flipping out. The only times we set EXPA equal to 0 is there. And hey, new follower. Trollphaser, hey, welcome. Thank you. Sorry, it's really, the text is really tiny on the screen, but thank you for following. That's why I was leaning. But I appreciate your viewership and your support, Trollphaser. Welcome. So, EXPA equals effective experience. When do I set effective experience? I only set effective experience here. And effective experience, we only add to it. Like, we don't. So, yeah, no, that's just weird, and I'll have to worry about it later. So I'm not going to restart the script or anything, and I'll get back to business. Alright, there were no lies. What were you guys doing while I was doing that? I was at least being productive. What did you guys accomplish on Two-Door while I was over there? What? Huh? And when I say you guys, I mean Boxer specifically. What have you contributed in the last several minutes? What? What, I ask you? What, I say? What? Alright, I did tune out of chat for a second. So I'm going to catch up on that real quick. Yeah. Yeah, as long as it's working in like broad strokes, I'll just I can worry about the details later. This is like the most players we have had at any given time, so I don't know. I'm glad the game is holding up, I guess. So I have to think about it that way. Oh, what does this mean? We learn French in school, but I'm not good at French. You're good enough at French, Carl, that translated your sentence, your what you say entirely coherently. So, oh, Mr. Han, you probably left already, but hey, see you in a few. Um, um, all right. So, yeah, Carl's been killing it with the graphics. Lion and Carl are both Euler, Euler. I mean, whoops. No, that one actually is pronounced Euler. If this one's pronounced Euler, I'd be very dismayed. Euler. All right. I'm using Unity 4. I'm actually using Unity 4.5 because I haven't even upgraded to the newer version because I don't want to upgrade for and then like that would have been too many variables for this project. I'm baguette. Hold on, it's not loading. Wait, there. Oh, there it goes. Baguette. All right. We now have a golden mustache and a baguette and a white sword, a bone sword. Those are our items so far. Hold on, let me just close some things on my other monitor real quick. There we go. Better. Hey, Chandler Rotwell, welcome. How's it going? Yeah. But so yeah, we're jamming. I got briefly distracted, but back to jamming. All right, yeah, and actually, the last thing I did here was I think to implement like rotating the character at appropriate times. So, oh wait, let me get him back to the rotation that it should have been to start with. So now if I play the game, like hypothetically, wait, is it still? It's not actually running yet. Yeah, play mode is. Oh, look at that. Hey, look at that. Wait, I think I got north and south backwards, right? Yeah, I must have. Left and right's working fine. How did I get north and south backwards? I guess maybe the coordinates don't start from the top of the screen. Maybe the coordinates do actually start from the lower half of the screen. Let's try that. So yeah, maybe this actually is north. Maybe this actually is south. And does that work? Ooh! Longboarding seems like it'd be a lot of fun. If I ever tried it, I would be like a lot of dead if I ever tried it. But like for people who have like skill and coordination, it seems like it would be a really fun thing to do. Oh, cool. Telerax, arting it up. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. This is like a ton of stuff. Hold on. Let me look at all this. So I'm just gonna switch over to face cam for a second. Cause hey, look how big my face is. Ah. One of the themes for the jam today was gigantic faces. And that didn't win the vote, but wait, how do I download this? Oh, wait. Open with? No. Download. Download. Where's the download button? Oh, there it is. I found it. There's an actual button for it. I was looking for it in menus and stuff. Sorry, that was terrifying. I don't know why I did that. I'm sorry. I apologize. All right, so let's look at these assets. Whoa! These are awesome, you guys. You guys. Check this out. Wait, did you make these, Telerex? Because these are awesome. Oh, yeah, one thing I should mention is the reason... I mean, apart from the fact that I want to confirm that Telerex is in fact awesome, the other thing is that for the jam, we're only making things. We're not using things that we didn't make. So, just, yeah, that was the other reason. Wow, all right, yeah. This is top notch. This is stellar. All right, so, yeah, hold on. Let me move these into a better folder, or like into our project folders. Projects, two-door, assets. I'll make a subfolder for it. Roof. There we go. And yeah, hot. Excuse me. So I'm getting slightly peckish. I'm gonna get myself a quick snack. I'm not going anywhere though, because as a professional streamer, I of course keep my snacks right nearby. Oh, I'm gonna shake up my tomato juice and it's gonna make weird sloshing noises. Some people have expressed that they do not care for the weird sloshing noises that this will make, but fair warning. That's not so weird, is it? Anyways, alright. Yeah, if I'm going to be doing a mega stream today, I've been streaming for 6.5 hours, and I'm probably going to be streaming for a lot more hours, so I need just like a little pick-me-up. Or kind of a big pick-me-up, as the case may be. Alright, yay, we can crash the game by clicking rotate? No, okay. It's just reading in the new files. Yeah, they better be good with FBX files. Because if they're not, no, I'll I assume they're good with FBX files. Yeah. Alright, cool. We have agency, kind of. We're not actually moving. I mean, we wouldn't be, even if we were moving, we wouldn't be able to tell, because there's no frame of reference. But let's do that, because movement's cool, right? I don't know. So, yeah, I really got it. This game really needs gameplay, and so I really need to get to that part. Did anyone by chance come up with like a revolutionary and dramatic, innovative, and just absolutely top-notch, impeccable system, game system for exchanges, or the exchanges that we'll be adding in at some point? Maybe? I don't know. Because if anyone did happen to come up with something like that, that would be super useful. Otherwise, ooh, wands. Otherwise, we might have to we'll have to worry about that at some point. So, uh, wand. P. Oh yeah, I should see what the roof looks like, because why not? Where's the FBX? Roof. Be a thing. Oh, I have to drag it into the side. Hey, look, a roof. Kind of. Hold on. Wait. Let's jump out of 2D. Okay, it's looking at us dead on. Huh. Which didn't seem to retain its texturing. What is going on here? Yeah, it didn't seem to retain any texturing. But we can probably hook that back up, hopefully. Materials? Huh. That's weird. Yeah, it looks like all the pieces are here, but it seems to have lost something along the way. So I'll yeah, let me put in movement, and then we can actually start fleshing out the game world, right? So because once, actually, I guess we can start fleshing out the game world first. Oh, I guess it's kind of funny that our camera looks kind of edge on. Oh, that's probably why it looked rotated, because we're actually like lying on our side a little bit. Whatever. Alright, so roof. Which should we change? I think I'll just change this rotation and keep the game the same. Maybe. I don't know. Oh, okay. Interesting. So, wait. Which should I rotate? Should I rotate the object or should I rotate the game? I guess the objects. I don't know. Wait, hold on. Why is it rotated? Why does it have these like weird default rotations? I don't know what that's about. So, oh, and look at that. It starts with rotation of 90. Wait, where'd it go? Oh. Oh, we're looking at it from the underneath. So actually we want it to be the opposite. We want it to be 180. Yeah, there we go. Totally covering our dude. But that's what roofs do. So we'll probably want to angle our lighting slightly, just so it's not like completely uniform. Not around that axis. Yeah, there we go. I don't know. So yeah. Oh. Ooh. Oh, maybe it's because our project is set up to be like default 2D. Ah. I might want to just do default 3D instead. Hold on. I wonder how difficult that would be. I'm not literally going to start a new project. I mean, I'm technically literally going to start a new project, but hold on. Wait, I'm just going to close Unity for a second. Don't save. Or don't save. So, oh wait, hold on, oh shoot, I didn't mean to reopen Unity yet. Sorry, 1 second. At least it opens and closes really fast. Go away, no, stop, okay, good. Oops. No, it's 2D. We decided to make a 2D game, so I made the defaults as 2D, but I don't like 2D very much, or like I don't tend to work on it, so sorry, I'm just gonna back this up for a second. What's open in another? Oh, something's open in Paint. Yeah. Try again. What? Oh yeah, of course, Visual Studio. Derps. Try again. Nothing is open anymore. That was it. That was all of them. All of them. What is your problem? What is your problem? What, I ask. Try again. You jerk. Cancel. Oh, if you want to undo an action B-shred, you can, on a multi-event, you can, oh wait, this isn't a multi-event. Wait, how's this not a multi-event? Why doesn't it say multi? That should be a multi-event. Maybe I just typoed it. Hold on. Sorry, minor distraction. Events. What is this one? This is Rescue. How do I normally do multi? Because this is supposed to be multi. King Day. Huh. That game has issues. I don't know why. I don't know. I'll have to. Yeah. Apparently this is just very beta. Side quest is just very beta right now. But yeah. Wait. What was projects? This background works kind of well with the mountains. Not really, but that it still amuses me. All right. So why were you not letting me rename you? Why? Why on earth? Why are you being so annoying? There's nothing using you right now. Nothing. Alright, well, you're a jerk. And I don't care about you anymore. New project. Not literally, but bear with me for a second. Projects. I'm gonna just call it T-Door instead for a moment. Oops. Oh yeah, cancel. So wait, don't select folder. T-Door. Set up defaults for 3D. Even for like projects that are effectively 2D, I tend to set them up the defaults for 3D just because I don't know. Whatever. Create. I can still use like an orthogonal camera and stuff, or orthographic camera. So wait, what if I copy like basically all of the assets? Copy. Whoops, I meant to. Don't mind me. All of them. I wonder how much of this would just like transfer over cleanly. Yeah. Good job, guys. Rescuing those villagers. Alright, so what happened if I just tried to open main? Don't save. So me and me shadow, right. Yeah. Because you're not sprites anymore. You're quads. Create quad for me and one for me shadow. So this one will be arbitrarily me. This one will be arbitrarily me shadow. So yeah. Oh, I guess the annoying thing is that I now have to make. Wait, no, I might have to make materials. Let me find out. Me 3. Yeah. Oh no. Wait, diffuse. Oh, look at that. I kind of made one automatically. That's kind of neat. Transparent diffuse. Cool. And then me shadow. Huh. I think I was making a lot of unnecessary materials. Alright, and so now these are obviously much smaller. Oh, and obviously script. Wait, missing script. Oh yeah. Right. So play dot script. Yeah. And then this is this one is wait, this is me and me shadow. Is the main camera still orthographic? Good, yeah. Alright, I just want to see if this like transfers over cleanly. Hey, look at that. Alright, I'm probably actually gonna just ignore the old project and work with this, because I think, I don't know, I'm hoping if I import the roof, no, it still doesn't work. Alright. So I guess there's no specific point in in having made this transition, but why is this rotation weird? Uh, two 270 is the default rotation. Wait, what the heck? What is happening? No clue what's happening right now. What did we decide this would be? Like 90? No. 180 or something? Yeah, there we go. And then I was going to angle the light source just slightly. What if... Oh, no. No. What I'm doing right now has nothing to do with rotation, really. It's just, it just has to do with, like, Unity has defaults for, like, 2D projects, but, like, even my 2D projects aren't really 2D. They're, like, 3D. So, this is just more honest, frankly. So, where is stuff? Yeah. One thing I might need to do is flatten it, because I do need to... I think I made the pop-up... Yeah, I don't want it to, like, interfere with the UI, which, I mean, I could just change... No, I'll just change the scale of the UI and stuff. So the main camera, you'll go to, like, negative... I mean, it's arbitrary, right? Because it's orthographic, so, like, negative 100 is equally valid. And so then, the inventory can... Oh, they're parented to the main camera now. So... Oh, interesting. So, this will now be 50... This will now be 75, I guess, arbitrarily. All right, and then I don't think we have to worry about collision anymore, because, like, yeah. Whoa, I'm missing material. Inventory. Oh, yeah, that's weird. I guess it just did not keep its material association. So, BG. Alright, alright. Anyways. Alright, so yeah, now I should reopen Visual Studio, but for the correct project. Because now we have that imposter project. Oh, cool. Stuff. Project solution. Sorry, just 1 second. So Tudor is a jerk. Tidor is the new Tudor. No, wait, no. Oh, I have to do the thing where I generate this project stuff. Assets, sync monodevelop projects. Go away, monodevelop. Ha. Alright, and then so, here we go. Alright. Alright, back to work. So, wait, what? The line endings? I don't know. Sure. Okay. Cool. Thank goodness we fixed that. Okay. Alright. Hope to see you again soon, B-Shred. Good luck with your IDE. Oh, cool. Alright, hold on. So here's Carl's and Telerax's. Wait. Did Carl's not load? Oh, it's still trying to load. Alright, there you go. Carl's and Telerax's. So I'm just going to switch over to Facecam for a second. Sorry. Save this one. I really wish I could just destroy the old folder because it's going to confuse me. And I'm going to save something in the wrong location. And that's going to be sad. Alright, so hold on, wait. Download. Show in folder. Wait. No. Oh, oops, wrong file. Show in folder. Sorry, I'm just moving files around, don't mind me. Bleep bloop. Bloop a doop. Bling blong. Etc. Beautiful night tonight, isn't it? It's the, was it? It was like the solstice yesterday or something? Where I'm from, it was the solstice yesterday. Wait, no, I guess it would be the solstice in both hemispheres at the same time. It would just be the difference between the winter and the winter and the summer solstice. So it goes the winter solstice where I am. So I guess, yeah. um, sorry. I don't know why that took so long. Alright. So, let's actually look at this real quick. Floor. Stuff. Yay! Wow. Oh. Hey, Telerax, are you making the textures as well? Or are you just making the geometry? Because these textures are really sharp. They're like really sharp. Oh, cool. Alright, so my understanding of how the world works is, wow, these things are amazing. Telerax, you're a talent. An amazing talent at that. Sorry, yeah, I'll switch back to screen cam. Oh, and I accidentally named this sword something silly. So this is like a sword. That's what this is. Sword. Alright, so yeah. Oh yeah, so hey, to Infinity and Beyond, how's it going? We're making a game. We're making a Lauren, are you botting? um um we are oh yeah, sorry. We're making a game. So yeah, so we decided on a theme, we decided on like what type of game to make, and now we're actually doing it. No, that's not. You're not allowed to bot. Botting is not allowed. Not allowed. I I hadn't mentioned that previously, but or I haven't mentioned it recently, but just to be entirely clear, botting is not acceptable. So um, if anyone feels inclined to use a bot, then I I I half an hour is two events, so that's fine. But yeah, no, if I did say I was gonna ban bots, so uh if you don't want to get banned, please don't bot. um and if Lauren's botting, then uh Lauren might not be watching, so I might have to repeat this when Lauren gets back. Um yeah, right. Oh, but I can't like ban her now or ban him now. Because then we'll never know when when Lauren gets back if banned. So I'll just uh I'll just like dock a few points or something like that. And what is the most graceful way to handle this? I mean, I can edit the data, so whatever. I can worry about it later. um, yeah, when hmm. What should I do? I feel like I should have a protocol for this because this isn't like the only time it's gonna happen. Uh, yeah, I haven't put a ban mechanism into the game yet. Um, huh. Yeah, I guess I'll just have to do that, right? Uh, all right, so um, right. So okay, so back to the game. Uh, yeah. So I'm just my taskbar always screws up when I change projects in Unity, so I'm just gonna save this real quick and restart Unity because I have to manually restart in order to get it to work again for whatever reason. All right, but wait, did it seriously just not save? I literally, I didn't even. Whatever. Are you serious? Oh, stupid. hyper stupid. Whatever. Alright, 100. Stupid stuff is really stupid and annoying. Anyways. Alright. So yeah, let's start actually like hey, welcome back, Dr. Fire Penguin. How's it going? Uh sorry. What was I yeah, you're just in time for us to be fleshing out the game world. So we have a roof that has been taking me like forever to put in. Wait, where am I? Whatever. Reset. Wait, why is the... Oh, negative 90 is the same as negative 90 is the same as 270. Oh, yeah, you've been a mod all day, actually. I modded you earlier today because you've been a stand-up chat participant for quite some time now, and we didn't have very many mods earlier, so I was like, hey, you know who I should mod? uh, so... Alright, so, yeah. I don't know why I didn't save last time, but whatever. Save scene, save project, save everything. Alright, so... Yeah, let's put this roof back together. Base, color, diffuse. For starters. Wait, what? I was not expecting that to turn out to be the case. Wait, why? Why when I put the roof texture on the roof, does it... Why does it do that? What the heck? What the heck is going on here? Oh, because it still thinks these are sprites. Right. Yeah, about that. These are not sprites. Oh yeah, does that mean the other things are still sprites? Do these things still think they're sprites? Okay, no, they know that they're textures. Alright, good. Well, that's good. Yeah, so why did these things think that they're sprites? I don't know. Whatever. They're textures. Apply. Yeah, I don't know how sprites work, but I don't feel like figuring it out right now. So, there we go. Alright, that's better. For now. So, yeah. Alright. And then, floor. So, roof. Okay, so just for scale, for purposes of scale, let's bring this down a little bit. Let's make this smaller. So, I think I can do that here, right? Yeah, so instead of 0.01, I can do like 0.005 or something. Is that better? No. Even smaller, probably. No, that could be about right. It's like about how big a building is, I guess. Maybe. We'll see. Telerex, you have done great things, I assure you. Oh, thank you, Dr. Fire Penguin. I knew you'd be a good mod. So yeah, I guess I should use the other textures too, but for now I'm just slapping on the diffuse. And I'm gonna let me just do the other thing, the thing with the floor real quick too. Should that be smaller? Nah, I don't know, whatever, that's fine size. I won't worry about it right now. So yeah, so also with the floor, reset, all this good stuff, and then 180 I think is the rotation value. Hey look, this one kept its alright, cool. Yeah, that's weird. The floor was the floor was easy. It like did it, I think, the way it's supposed to do it. It like actually kept its stuff. So that's awesome. So I like to see. Alright, let's see. Wait, how do these compare in size? I guess I should decide how big the grid is. How big is like the grid system? So I guess I should ooh, ruby, pretty, pretty color. Save image as ruby. Uh, um, so the yeah, yeah. I guess like because I did make this like basically very grid like the way the game plays. Although there's no translation yet, so you still just stay in place. So yeah, let's define a grid size. What changed? All right, sure. Reload all. Uh, um, all right, yeah, that sounds great. Oh yeah, we do have we do have some yeah. All right, yeah, no, that's great. Cause yeah, hold on, let me think. So we have this stone texture, and we have. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna sneeze. I'll be right back. Whew. Hey, sorry for the delay. Okay. Yeah, right. So we do have yeah, we do have some other assets that we were working on for the floor. So we do have like a grassy or square. Actually here, I think I might just reuse the geometry just for a standard geometry size. So wait, if we move this over here, what would it look if we just like applied this to this one? All right, so we'll probably have to do like a color pass or something in order to get them in the same school of like brightness, because we have like slightly different palettes here, but that should be easy enough. And then so what if we did one with this other texture? All right, so these are the ones that like we have so far. So we have like a dark stone. We have like a well, so all right, so oh, let's I guess we can zoom in and stuff. So we have like a I guess I don't know. Maybe now that we have like more of a stony one, I could call this one like concrete or something because we have like stone cobble. We have like a surface of like veg. Yeah, so I have to do a color pass because like I mean like I said like I'm like I'll be putting together uh all the art assets that we're getting, but like you know this art is coming in from different people, so yeah, we'll have to do a little bit of nudging in order to get it to all look like it fits in the same world. But that should be pretty easy. So all right, so yeah, cool. So I'll rename this stone tile to like I don't know, like cement tile or something like that. Uh, I don't know. That's just kind of how it reads to me. And then so I think I think I might like dim down this stuff a little bit and brighten this stuff up a little bit, just a little bit. Nothing too outrageous. So how would I even do that? I guess let's go to our floor folder. I hope you don't mind if I edit your your assets just a smidge, just like yeah just like coalesce the whole thing a little bit. So like, just just gonna bump up the brightness a touch, and I'll like bump the contrast to a bit. I just want to see how this will look. I can always undo it. Save that. What does that look like? Nothing changed. Why did nothing change? Oops, wrong folder. Huh. Oh, I guess base color is what I actually meant to be editing. What are the difference between these two files? Like, what were the difference between these two files? Anyways, file, open, uh, oh, wrong project. I really need to delete that project. I really need to delete that other project. Please let me delete you. No! No one is using this oh. Yeah, no programs are using these. You awful, awful machine. What is wrong with your face? Alright. Sorry. I just know I'm gonna screw something up now that I have those two projects. Yes, I will be streaming tomorrow as well. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah. I like never do art in these jams because we always just have so many talented artists. So, yeah. One thing we'll probably need a lot of is like items and stuff. Well, maybe not a lot. I don't know. Do work on the art that you want to work on, and like you can check in with other people because other people can give you ideas for like what type of stuff we need, and then yeah, I can send the art my way, and I can implement it and stuff too. So, all right, what am I doing? Base color. I guess I want to do the same brightness contrast adjustment. See if that works. I don't know why it's not working. Or I don't know why it didn't work the first time. Did it get lighter? I looked away. I like blinked, and I couldn't tell if it got lighter. It still looks really dark. Why? Is this why? Huh. Oh wait, what about this one? What the heck is this one? I don't know, I feel like it should be brighter now. I'm just gonna... whatever. Alright. Whatever, that works. When all this fails, just kind of slap it on there. That's actually pretty close. Hold on, let me... the main camera has like a relatively dark background, but let's get this... Like, we're not actually gonna see as much of the background, and it's probably not gonna be purple, ultimately. But, I guess, to the extent that it's still here, I might as well, like, try and even that out a bit. Just, like, I don't know, just slightly. Whatever. That's fine. And I think it's probably okay for the roof to be a little bit darker. Because, like, whereas you're probably going to walk across these tiles, you're probably going to bump into the roof. Like, you probably can't walk through it. So, I don't know, it'd kind of make more sense if it was like slightly darker so that it was obvious when you were going to bump into it. But also, I should play with scale now too, because let's see how big the oh, huh, oh, interesting, oh, okay, yeah, I don't work with art that much. Not like I understand a lot of how 3D art is supposed to work hypothetically, but I don't use it. I don't do it myself very much, so I don't have a lot of practice doing it, so I apologize for the extent to which I'm a little bit bumbling on that stuff. Sorry. Excuse me. Lazy Brussels sprouts, thanks for tuning in. It's good to see you again. All right, so yeah, let's start moving stuff around. Let's have excuse me, sorry, 1 second. Let's have public float, grid distance, or like grid unit length, equals, let's say 2 for starters. Maybe just 1. Yeah. 1F. I forget. No, you only need the F if it's a fraction, but whatever. Alright, so the other thing that we do in these cases is transform dot position. So when we're moving north, transform position plus equals new vector 3 Sorry, just 1 second. Um, when we're so it's x and y. All right, just a second. Because if we had literally done top down, it would have been x and z. So I was just checking. All right. Because we're actually doing we're actually not looking down at the world from the top. We're looking across the world at the side, and the world is just sideways. So yeah. Anyways, just double checking. So it's okay. So it'll be new vector 3. What did I call that thing? Grid unit length. 0 0. No, whoops, no, 0 grid unit length 0. Right. And then, oh yeah, end that with a, gosh, Python. I occasionally forgot to end my statements with semicolons before, and now that I've worked in Python, it's going to be that much worse. Alright, so this one is 0 grid unit length, or no, grid unit length 0 0, and this one similarly is grid unit length 0 0. Alright, so now we should actually move around when we click and stuff. Oh. Oh wow, look at all this stuff. Hold on. Carl, you're jamming on this. You're literally jamming on this. Oh wait, that's the same link 3 times. Right? Yeah, okay. I thought you came up with 3 new things already. I was like, wow. Alright. Carl, oh yeah, thank you for tuning in. It was great to have you here. So I hope to see you again maybe tomorrow or Wednesday when we continue to work on this. All right, so save images, ring. I read chat intermittently. Sorry. Sometimes if I get focused on something, I will forget to read chat. I apologize. But yeah, bye. Okay, yeah, we can always update the graphic later. So so oh yeah, right. So if I run the script now, we should actually move around. And right now we'll just like collide into things. But oh wow, look how look how I dive underneath the grass. That was delightful. So yeah, I guess oh yeah, you know what? Um yeah, what if hold on. So what is the scale of these tiles here? It's like 1 1 1. I think I'm actually gonna use a new create a blank quad basically, and yeah, reset its position. Reset. I'm right clicking on you. Reset. You jerk. Why are you such a jerk? Actually, Z I'm gonna set as like I don't know, like 1 or something. It right now it's just click, but we could add in hold if we need to. Oh yeah, right. So it's gonna. All right. So these bigger tiles are like basically 2 by 2, kind of, pretty close to 2 by 2. So this quad. All right. Let's put this quad up to 2 by 2 and see what the textures look like on it. Yeah, alright, good. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure because this way so if we set the grid size to be exactly 2 by, or if we set the tile size to be exactly 2 by 2, then it'll line up exactly with our grid. And so then I just want to make the so the roof, yeah, hold on. Why is it like randomly? I don't know. Whatever. Okay. The roof, let's see. I want to line it up so that it also fits on the grid. But for this one, it might not be exact. It might like overlap slightly. I just want it to get pretty close. So actually, let's move it slightly further up because it's probably going to shrink when I shrink it, right? Tends to happen, right? When you shrink things, they shrink. Roof, roof. So if that's 5, then I think we actually want like 3.5 or something like that. Let's see how that looks. Alright, so oh wait, yeah, let's put this to 0. Alright, that's slightly too small, so maybe like more like 0.38 or like 0038 or 75 maybe? I don't know. Yeah, that looks actually quite good. Alright, so yeah, I think that's the correct scale. Oh, but wait, yeah, we might have to change the so now it's scaled on that oh sorry chat. As we have the technology. I thought that was $1 Million Man, which is like the other RoboCop, or the what? Actually, no. What did the $1 Million Man do? Was he in law enforcement, or like was he a hero, superhero type of character? Actually, I don't think I ever actually watched it. All right. So roof. It doesn't quite go like 2x4. It kind of goes like 2x3 into something, right? So wait, this will be stone tile, and then actually copy paste, and move this one to 2. Move this one to 2, and then grass tile, and did that get? No, that's normal. I think I will tone down the grass just slightly because it does look even with the lightness adjustment, it still looks pretty neon. And then oh yeah, cements. Probably cement too. All right, actually I can do that now. Open assets, grass tile, cement tile, open. So yeah, it doesn't have to be dramatic. Just like, actually, maybe I should tone down the lighting, and because maybe that's what's making them seem so out of control. The sun. What if the sun is just too bright? It's supposed to be closer to like 3. No, closer to like 4. Maybe that may be better. Or like 4.5. Yeah, I think that's better. Yeah, I think that's fine. No, I might turn it down a little bit. Yeah, I'll just turn it down a little bit. Just a skosh. I'm only allowed to use that word once per stream, I decided. Because sometimes I get into a string and I'll use that screen. I use that word way too often. Alright, no, other way around. So like, what about negative? These values. How's that sound? Yeah, that seems pretty good. Save that. Yes. Same thing. Brightness contrast. Yeah, alright. Save that. That might be too much. Let's see how that looks. Alright, yeah, actually I like that. Alright, cool. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, so yeah, well the roof is like, I might just stretch out the roof a little bit. I don't know. Maybe. So what if I just like went what dimension is it? The Y scale? Yep, the Y scale. I just went like, I don't know. Like wait, set this position to whoops, -2, sorry. -2. I'm just I don't know. It might overlap slightly. Probably not gonna get it perfect, but just want to get it to like roughly the point where it's oh yeah, let's switch this to orthographic. Oops. Oh, interesting. The near clip lane is pretty far. So it's slightly too big now. It's like, what if it was like 0.16? And if it was like, what, like 7.8 or something? Still slightly too big. So it was a 0.15. That might be too small. No, that might be okay. That's actually pretty good. That's probably fine. So let's put this to 0, and then oh yeah, the other thing is that we need to add 1 to all of these dimensions. So game object, create empty, game object, create empty, game object, create empty, game object, create empty. Alright, so these are all at the origin. No, these should all be at the origin. That was one of the nice things about why can I not reset these to default? Usually reset these to default. Weird. Anyways, I thought I used to be able to just like right click on position and reset to default, but whatever. Oh, no, it wasn't bold. Anyways, alright. Yeah, I think that's what I like about that word that I'm not allowed to use anymore, because I used that word once already, and I'm only allowed to use that word once for stream. But it's a unit of measurement that means exactly how much is the correct amount. So it slides depending on the context, and that's just a very convenient thing to have. All right, so yeah, wait. So what do I want to do? I need to add 1 to all of these dimensions. So like 1, 1, and 1, 3. Actually, no, 1, 1. These should all be 1, 1. 1, 1, and then right. So the roof should be 1, and then 1.78, I guess. Oh wait. No, that's not right. Oh no, 0.5, I guess. So like 1.28, I guess. Yeah, 0.5. Right. Okay. So 0.5, 0.5. All right. Yeah. That's better. So again, with all these tiles. Oh, and these tiles are all named stone tiles, but they're not all stone tiles. For example, this one is the grass tile. This one is the concrete tile. Or did I call it cement before? Whatever, cement. Cement tile. Oh yeah, and this one needs to go to 0.5. Good. So now these game objects are init to 0, so I'll put the roof in this one, stone tile, this one, grass tile, this one, cement tile, this one, and these are going to be our prefabs. So this will be like roof, prefab, stone tile, prefab, grass tile, prefab, cement tile, prefab. Cool. Alright. Oh, cool. Wait, hold on. That looks amazing. This is perfect. Save image as Dwarf. Huh. That is amazing. Thank you, Kenna. I'm sorry, Boxers. I wasn't reading chat. Yeah. Maybe Gandalf invented that word. Excuse me. All right. So, uh, huh. I'll be honest with you guys. I had a cup of coffee this morning, but I think I want to stream more today, and I could use a pick me up. I think I might maybe I'll text someone who's in the other room and ask them to bring me a cup of coffee or something. Wonder if that would work. um, all right, I think I need to organize this folder a little bit. So, create folder. I'll say like pings or whatever. We can put like most of these in that folder. We don't need to put these things there. Pretty much everything else we can go in that folder. Yeah, clean that up a bit. And then I can put our prefabs in here. So our roof prefab, stone tile prefab, grass tile prefab, cement tile prefab. Oh yeah, that was the other thing. Wait, this roof is like inordinately high up when it really doesn't need to be. In fact, at that height, it could be covering things accidentally. Because we have an orthographic camera, so this can move. This can move like down like this instead. Yeah, that's better. All right, update the roof prefab. There we go. All right. Haha, Telrax. Unrelated question. How did I get into the game industry? That's a good question. Oh yeah. All right. So, I actually didn't get my degree in game development. I got my degree in just general software development, and don't worry. I can fix Lauren. Because I think I just never mentioned to Lauren that you're not allowed to bot, which I I think I don't know. I think you can kind of assume that you're not allowed to bot, but I guess I didn't expect people to be botting from their primary accounts. Like, I never really thought about. I never really bothered to implement a way to ban a character from the game without banning them from chat. So, yeah, I'll just have to fix that retroactively. Uh, yeah, so don't worry about that. But yeah, Lauren, not knowing that botting is an invalid strategy, has foolishly stepped away from the keyboard and is not in fact gaining levels or is not gaining anything permanent. So Lauren has left themselves open for someone else to overtake them as we are making a game, Ridley. Can't you tell? Can you not? Doesn't look like game. This doesn't look like game making to you. What does this look like? What on earth could this be if not for game making? All right, so yeah, I made another game on a grid. Whatever. All right, yeah. So like, yeah, now I can actually like build out world type stuff as needed, because stuff. Oh, actually, yeah. No, it doesn't matter. All right. I was gonna say I could do the I could do the I could do I could do what? Yeah, no, I could change the offsets for the tiles and the offset for the player, but that doesn't matter. It's an arbitrary thing. At this point, I can make the world a little bit bigger, I guess. Seems a little bit small at this point. It's like, what if the camera size was like different? If it was just like a little bit more like that. I don't know. Whatever. So yeah, what do I want to actually do next, I guess? We still haven't really added in the like the fundamental exchange that we were talked about earlier. Like there's this like so the way the game is supposed to work is you're supposed to like give and supposed to get and give various things. So I guess oh yeah, we have a wizard baby, right? So I was gonna say we need some entity to interact with. So the first entity that with which we will interact is our wizard baby. All right, let's move these prefabs around a little bit so that they're not just kind of like sitting there. So what if you were like -2 and you were like 2 and you were like 2. All right, that's slightly less bad. All right. So save. um. So yeah. Okay. So the theme of the the theme of the jam is didn't expect that, but okay. That's the theme of the jam. And then we decided to make an open world 2D RPG. So here's what we've got so far of the game world, and we need I don't know. I'm getting antsy for like a little bit of like actual interaction. Oh, also I edited the camera while in play mode, so of course it didn't keep. All right, that's good. File, save, projects, or whatever, save scene. I don't care. All right, so Wizard Baby. It's time for Wizard Baby, of course. So where's our ping for Wizard Baby? I think I'm gonna edit this because the Wizard Baby is kind of like in the corner, whereas I want the Wizard Baby to be front and center. So close these. File, open. Wizard Baby. Yeah, so our Wizard Baby, I want it to be like center stage. So it should be small relative to the player. So this should be good. Yeah, this should be fine. Copy file new. 282 is apparently our width. 282 are our dimensions. Paste that. Undo. Select all. Delete that. Paste that. That seems pretty good. All right, so save as Wizard Baby. Yes, replace. Okay. Hey, Lauren. Wait. Oh yeah. So Lauren, I have terrible news for you. You're not allowed to bot, so I have to dock you some experience. Sorry. And if you like, you just legit can't bot, so sorry. I hope you didn't spend too much time working on your bot, because if you had asked, I would have let you know in advance that it's wasted effort, and I don't have a mechanism to ban in game yet. So hypothetically, the consequence for botting right now is that you just get banned from the channel, which I don't want to do to you. So please don't bot. Yeah. All right. Anyways. Wizard Baby. So all right, so yeah, new more quads, all the quads forever. Quads are great, quads forever. Reset the position. Wizard Baby time. Wizard Baby. Wizard Baby. Alpha is transparent. Apply. What the heck? What on earth just happened? What on earth happened to this baby? That's terrifying. Oh, right. I didn't make the quads texture transparent diffuse. Uh, all right, there we go. All right, so now Wizard Baby can go. Wizard Baby can go. I guess -1. Or whoops, no, that puts it underneath the roof. So -1. Wizard Baby. All right, so now we have Wizard Baby, and now hypothetically, if the game had some sort of interaction between these things, you could interact with this thing. Uh, so, all right, this game is a RPG. So now it's time to actually like add like gameplay and stuff, and like build out the world. Uh, so yeah, it's important now for you guys to did chat actually get quiet, or I don't know. I expected Lauren to say something when I broke the news that uh, anyways, but chat, yeah. So uh, the next important thing is well, yeah, right. So that's what I was wondering, Boxers. When are you guys gonna do story and lore? Because right now I don't really have anything to implement. I mean, we definitely have things to implement, but I don't really have any leads as to what to implement. So uh, let me know. I work for you guys now. I've been implementing all the art that people have been sending my way. Actually, I haven't implemented all of it, so I could just start doing inventory stuff. But I feel like we need core gameplay here too. Yeah, so don't expect there to be quests in this game. um, because this game is because yeah I mean we don't even have our core gameplay, so like there's no point in going on a quest if there's nothing to do on your quest, right? So we need we need we need the fundamentals first. We need this to be a game, and then we can start uh, adding in like the like meta type elements to it. So yeah, so the game is supposed to be about like unexpectedness. So like I don't know. It's been described as an RPG, which I'd like to deliver on, but I like I don't know. I also don't like I don't just necessarily like yeah, right. um, I also don't like following tropes too closely. So like I don't know. Last time I got a little bit abstract. Boxers. I'll show you brave. I'll show you brave. um, no, yeah, last time I insisted on like, you know, defying convention altogether, and I think the game ended up a little too abstract, so maybe I should try and do a little less of that this time. Um, but, I guess, I don't want to just like, I don't want just to clone something like some other game that already exists either, because that's equally bad. Uh, that implementing Pokemon would not be brave. Implementing Pokemon would be stupid, because literally someone already made that game. If you want to play Pokemon, you can literally go buy it. You can literally buy like 50 different, not literally 50, but you can literally buy. Actually, there might be 50 different Pokemon games by now. Like if you count all of the like extended like all the different like you know whatevers. Um, so no, that'd be stupid. Not brave. Um, sometimes it's hard to tell the difference between stupid and brave, right? um, so you walk up to this wizard baby, and Pokemons make everything Pokemons. Like it's a fine game, but like it literally already exists. Here, how about this? Shazam! I just made it. Go out to stores and look for it. I swear it's there. It's just it's called Pokemon. Have fun. All right, and while you're doing that, we'll do this other jam. Uh, so so you walk up to a wizard baby, and a wizard baby and a player character walk into a bar. Uh, the wizard baby gives to the player. Uh, I guess I don't know. I'll just start adding in like the raw mechanics and like we'll get there. We'll get there some at some point. So yeah, I guess I might as well just make it so that well, I guess we need to keep track of like the entities in the game because when you bump into an entity, it it's like something different needs to happen. Yeah. So the oh wait, what? Oh wow, castle. All right. Yeah. So keep in mind things. So like so the way I'm planning on setting this up is like basically like you like this is invalid. You can't actually like bump into the house. Like if you try to bump into the house, you instead can't. I think is how I'm going to set this up. Yeah. Um, uh, hmm. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, I should start hooking those things up. And I guess, oh yeah, I wanted to mention that just because if you're making like more scenery stuff, like that's something that we had talked about. And I don't know, unless anyone has a strong objection, it just seems sensible that like some things you can't pass through because otherwise it doesn't feel like an open world. It just feels like a flat plane that just goes on for whatever. Like you can just if you can just like run literally in any direction and for an infinite distance, that's not quite as interesting, not as compelling. So, yeah. So, anyways, so uh, castle gates. We could probably do gates, maybe. Yeah, probably. I don't know. I don't want to do too much. Like, I'll say this: we can't do literally anything until we have core gameplay. Because if we don't have core gameplay, then we don't have a game, which means we haven't finished our jam. So we can't do literally anything until we have like an actual game that's fun to play. Uh, yeah. But once we have that, we can do literally anything. So yeah, that's all we need. um, like right now, all we have is like a thing where you can like move around. This isn't a game. This isn't fun yet. Right. So, anyways, I it's supposed to be open world. I've never really done open world before. So I don't know how I want to do this exactly. um, I guess. Oh, well, if we're on a grid, I can just and so I know how to do if I was procedurally generating this because I've done something like this procedurally generated. But I think we'd been talking about like actually building this game world, so I don't know. Maybe that's crazy, and I shouldn't even try and do it. But uh, I don't know. Uh, um, yeah, no, I don't. I don't need help coding anything. I can code something once we know what the heck we're coding, but we still haven't even figured that out yet. Like, what's the game? Like, what is the game, you guys? What is the game? Like, in real life, you guys. Oh, sorry, I'm giving Lauren a 1 hour ban. Because, like. Anyways. um. uh. Excuse me. Um. Hmm. Uh. Sorry. um. Right. So. Oh wait, man. I don't know. I guess. I'm like I'm like not 100% about how the whole like non-procedural world is gonna go, and so like everything in my being is saying like no, don't make the world authored, like go make it actually like procedural instead. But I mean like no, I'm just like I guess nervous jumping into this because it's not the way that I would go of my own accord. So well, no, it's just new is all, and like new is uncertain to me, and whatever. All right, I'll stop being a baby. I'll stop being a baby and start being a wizard baby. uh, so so should probably also yeah. Oh no, it's not like that. No, it's because it's not about trading. It's about loot. Remember, it's about loot drops. So oh wait, Telerax, were you the one who earlier asked about like why do you have to get things? Why can't you give things? Um, and I guess like so if it helps answer your question, loot isn't about giving. Loot is about getting. I don't know if that answers your question. Your question from earlier. But like, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I guess we I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, no, also that game's just been done a million times. So like like if we're going to change that tenet for like if we're going to stray from that in order to make something like interesting, then like sure, yes, let's do that. But if we're going to I don't know. I don't want to stray from that if the only reason we're going to really stray from it is just to like rehash a game that's been done before and is like no one cares about. Not that no one cares about it, but like I don't like again, like with the Pokemon thing, like that game exists already. You can just go play that game instead if you want. So I think I'm gonna stick more to the loot sort of thing. Uh, anyways, let's yeah, I was talking about wizard babies and like the authored world versus the procedurally generated world. So sure, whatever. I why not? Uh, so I mean, I guess we can just. I guess there's just an authoritative grid, so that's kind of nice because I don't. You don't have to like. Well, no. So yeah. So there's like a fixed grid between. Excuse me, I'm gonna sneeze. I'll be right back. Excuse me. Sorry. Uh, um. All right. So if anyone tuned in recently, and I guess oh, well, I guess I should add this to the scrolling text. Um, so the theme is didn't expect that, but to happen, but okay. Game type open world 2D RPG. So I'll say like central uh, mechanic uh, loot drops. So yeah, I guess that was the part. That was the bit of information that was missing. Yeah, because we basically decided to like loot drops was like the I don't know. It was a little unofficial how we came about that. So uh, Peter Meyer, hey, how's it going? Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So oh yeah. So the reason I was recapping because it's been a long time, so I'm sure like a lot of people were not here when we talked about this earlier. Yeah, so earlier when we were talking about like what should we add to the game, we decided that the game would be like because this is a jam. This game is going to be done by the end of the day tomorrow. Like in like like we only have like, I don't know, let's say there's only like 8 hours more of work on this project. Like like if we were gonna do anything like even close to like the ideas that people are like putting forward in terms of complexity, that would take like literally like months probably. Like, and if you want to do them really well, like years, I don't know. No, this game is about we. Okay, so the thing we decided earlier is that if we could only do one thing, the thing we wanted to put in was loot drops. But I don't know. So I guess it's not really fair to expect you guys to come up with the mechanic because it was decided before you guys got here. So I can do that. I just I don't know. I guess yeah, maybe that's the disconnect. Like the people who like laid this all down just took off. So yeah, no. Yeah. All right. So I have no clue what you were trying to say, and please don't. I thank you for respecting the chat filter. Excuse me. Sorry. Uh, yeah. To me, loot means like stuff that you like. It has just a very strongly positive connotation. Like loot is like it's not loot if it's not like cool. Like if it's not. I tried to describe that earlier, but I didn't come up with a more descriptive word than cool then either. But like yeah. Um, I mean, I guess one of the difficult things is that loot, like you earn, right? You don't just like part of what makes it feel like special is that you earn it. Whereas like, oh, you got a follower, Peter Meyer. Welcome, thank you for following. I appreciate your viewership and your support. Yeah, so I don't know. I guess that'll be something to tackle in terms of like how to get loot. So, all right, maybe I don't know. I feel really negative right now, so I apologize if I've been too negative. I'll try not to be so knee jerk. No, honestly, what it is that like usually if I'm streaming this long, I have caffeine in me, so I'll have to compensate for that and abstain from being too knee jerk type negative, but being a complete knee jerk. Um, so hold on, I'm just gonna have some more calories. That'll help me for one thing. I'll be right back. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but sorry, excuse me just a moment. Yeah, haven't had much to snack on lately. All right, I'll stop complaining too. All right, so sorry. All right, so open world. Yeah, I could really fail to deliver on open world if I put my mind to it. So I guess I shouldn't. Uh, hmm. So yeah, I've never like structured data like this before. So basically, I want like the so because we did the grid thing, um, I could like set up basically like I don't know, like an array, like a multi-dimensional array for like what part of the terrain is permeable and what's not. But yeah, I'll also want a way to not have to fiddle with that as much, so that we can still like move stuff around and like make the game world and not have to like constantly like fiddle with this array of like permeability. Uh, uh, um, oh yeah. Well, yeah, no, I I don't know. I try not to be limiting. Oh, oh, in terms of how much you can accomplish in a jam. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, um, right, so jams, right? You, yeah. uh, right, because this hypothetically could be someone's first jam. So, yeah, that's a good point, Telerex. Yeah. So what I was saying about scope is, yeah. That's I guess that's why I was saying it too. I probably just shouldn't have sounded so annoyed while I was saying it, because I'm not like annoyed per se. What I'm actually is hungry, but yeah. All right. um. So uh. So um. I'm just thinking. So like we have like pieces that we can build the world out of. Like we have, I don't know. Like if the world is just made out of these roof things as the only barrier right now, then like we know the dimensions of the roof, and so we can, as long as we keep track of the roofs, we can like build a map of like where you can walk and where you can't walk based on the positioning of the roofs. Uh, well, well, we if you we're not going to change it at this point, Telerax, because we already started making this game. Like we're not going to start over. Like if you want a different game, you can wait for the next jam. But this is the game that we're making, Telerax. So, um, sorry, sorry you don't like that. Um, all right. Yeah. I guess like hypothetically, we'll probably have more things than just roofs at some point. So I'll want to count for like different shaped things. So no, RPG doesn't mean all those things. RPG just means like a game wherein you take over a like the life of someone essentially. Like those are the trappings, boxers. Those are the trappings of an RPG. But like no, an RPG is basically just like I don't know. It's kind of ill-defined, but like um yeah, I mean like you could put those things in any game and you could like I get what you mean. Like that's what you think of when you think of RPGs, but like we already decided that like we're making a yeah, all right. I guess we'll have to put in enough like RPG-ish things to like make it if otherwise we wouldn't be like hitting that because we did that was one of the things we voted on and people wanted to make like wanted to include RPG like RPG was one of like the important things about the game to make so so yeah, all right, so I guess our roof refab is or we'll need to define like the dimensions of our impermeable objects so that way when we make our grid of impermeability we can just go based on the location of those things and that will that will stuff that way we can like build out the worlds and have that map generated for us not have to worry about it getting desynced or whatever so I mean uh I guess I could just oh well all right how does it work now so like the position of this roof prefab is at -2 0 so the hero starts at 0 0 or like the main character starts at 0 0 so yeah so I guess like the that coordinate basically describes like the bottom corner of the roof and then the roof extends up by 4 and over by 1 so like those are essentially like what become like impermeable terrain that you can't walk on when there's a roof thing. And I guess for starters, I'll make like a huh. How do I want to do this? Uh oh, I could just like have a bucket for these things. Oh yeah. All right. So sure. Create empty. Whoops. I should be doing this outside of play mode. Otherwise, I won't save. Create empty. I'll call this. I'll guess this is like 4x2. Um, and this will be our. These will be our game objects that are 4x2. So the roof prefab, for example, is 4x2. And then I can also have a. Actually, no. I should describe that as 2x4 because it's 2 in the x coordinate. So this is actually 2x4. And then I could also have create, or we could also have, excuse me, game object 4x2. Ridley, that definitely goes in the later category. And there's the later category. Boxers, you've been really trollish today. I don't know if you did it intentionally, but you've been really trollish today. Um, I I don't know. I mean, you're obviously joking, which is, I guess, good. Anyways, oh shoot, wait, take this back out. Because these, why do these not just like, they're just, I, is there an option somewhere where I can just get all game objects to automatically appear at the origin? Because that'd be really great. I would use that option a lot. Just have everything appear at the origin by, like, automatically. That'd be way better than every other possible option. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to make a rotated roof prefab, so that way we can also have, like, a, or, I don't know, I guess I can rotate it here. No, that probably wouldn't. Would that work? No. Right? Wait, what happens if I try and rotate this? Wait, now I can do this. I just have to transpose these values too. So 90. Nope, not that direction. Oh yeah, no, this direction. Negative 180. So negative 90, I guess. Yeah, there we go. And then yeah, I have to transpose these values. So this one becomes 1.28, and this one becomes 0.5. There we go. All right. Cool. All right, so now we have two different modes in which we can use these. Oops, I still can't like free transform it. So I can have like negative or I don't know, 2, for example. So now like all right, so now like hypothetically, if this was the only building block we had for these objects, these like impermeable objects, then at least we would have we can have them on 2 different dimensions. So cool. And then yeah, so when we're building the grid, as long as we organize the objects as such, then we won't have to worry about we won't have to worry about yeah, how to fill out the map of like where you can and can't move. Yeah. All right. So, yeah, I guess I should be doing that. So, oh. Oh. Yeah. Actually, I think I'm going to move everything really far. Like, because I don't want to use a conversion between where so like the grid that we make, like I want it to accord essentially to like coordinates. So like for example 0, 0, I want 0, 0 to be like the bottom corner of the grid because that's that'll just work easier. uh no, I mean I guess I could actually. No, I lied. I lied out my face. My face is lying. Sorry. Uh oh no. B shred. That's tough. Um all right, so um all right, so yeah. Uh so other than like obstacles, the only thing we sorry, I'm gonna sneeze, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. All right, so thank you, Boxers. Um, so yeah, so the only thing we really need to keep track of, I guess, are the obstacles, and then the entities, like the wizard babies, for example. So so yeah. Uh, what? All right, so sign up for my butt. Sorry, never mind. Don't mind me. All right. So, um, yeah. All right. So, I'm confident in the thing that I just said. So, I should now have like buckets, I guess, of for these things that right. Okay. Sorry. My thoughts are a little bit scattered. I apologize. Let's have a public game object, or actually, I guess it only really has to be a transform. Public transform uh, game, or like obstacles 2 by 4. Uh, yeah, and then public. Whoops, wrong character. Public transform obstacles 4 by 2. Um, uh, I'll be descriptive with my variable names. All right. There we go. And then right. So then we need the grid itself. So this doesn't have to be public. Uh, so so int array, I guess. Oh no. It should be enums. So what? Yeah. So we need our enum, another enum. So enum. Oh yeah, I never looked at what this thing looked like in our. Was this public enum? Wait, why did I make this? Huh. I don't know what that was about. Anyways, I don't know why I made this public. Uh, Someone told me I should, or I don't know. They alluded that it would do something, but I have no clue what it does, so I'm not gonna make it public. Anyways, so we need an enum for enum grid contents, I guess. Grid content. Uh, so it could be none, or it could be obstacle, or entity, or just loot, I guess. I don't know. Uh, maybe like that, I guess. So grid content, uh, array, multidimensional array, grid content. Oh, oops, no, wait, no, grid content. Wait, is that how it's declared? I think I don't know. I forget. Grid or world grid equals new. I don't know, how big should it be? I'll probably just do like 100 by 100 or something for now. Grid, or no, that's not how you declare it. It's like that. Have I really forgotten how to do this? Maybe. Uh, I don't remember. Grid grid content 100 by 100 or something. I don't know. And then so then another thing I need to do is convert from I need a way to convert from like the grid to like world space and back, because that's something that I'm going to do a lot. So I'm going to make two things to do that. So int grid so int world or position to grid takes a float pause and it returns an int, of course, 0 for starters, and then I also need float grid to position. So basically, we need to refer to the position. We need to refer to like the locality of various objects, based not only on their so we'll be like at different times we'll be referring to their actual position in like the world space and their position on the grid, and so we need a way to convert from one to the other. And I think I'm going to use the same conversion for both. Like, I think we're going to work with like a square map, and that way we can use the same conversion for both x and y coordinates, basically. I think. Yeah. I don't know. Int grid or something. I don't know. So return 0, whatever. So wait, if the grid is 100 by 100, no, that's not legit. It has to be 101. It has to be an odd number. So I'll do 99 by 99, I guess, or 101 by 101. Yeah, 101 by 101. Yeah. So cool. And so right, so 50 is like the center square, so should I, yeah, I should probably huh I should probably sorry, I'm really distracted. I'm thinking I might need to take a quick break and then come right back. Not like I won't be stopping for the evening, but I'm just like so distracted right now that I think I need to like go get like a dose of caffeine, and I feel like that might be the right thing to do. I feel like that might help rather than like trying to. I don't know. I like anyone. Like, thank you. You are all wonderful people for. Oh hey, yeah. Oh hey, it's me, Van King. Yeah. If I take a quick break, it would be literally a very quick break. It would be like a matter of minutes. It wouldn't be a long time at all. But like everyone who's watching right now you probably noticed that I'm kind of like stumbling a lot. I'm like, this is not me at my peak performance. So I Venby King, it's me, Venby King. Thank you for following. I appreciate your understanding in this time. Um, so yeah, I think yeah. All right, I'm super sorry for the brief delay, but I'm just gonna be gone. I'm not literally gonna be getting. I only have one be right back image, and it's for when I need to refill my water bottle. I'm not literally gonna be refilling my water bottle right now, but I'm just gonna be back in a very short period of time. I apologize for the delay, and we will pick up right from here. We'll be doing it better because we won't be as tired and caffeine deficient. So sorry for the delay. I'll be back post haste. Thank you, thank you.